How to sign up on BitMart. So first of all, open BitMart on your app. To create a BitMart account, just go ahead and click on the profile icon on the top left hand corner once and then tap on Get Started. Once you do that, you can see there are some ways through which you can sign up. The first one is using your phone number. Go ahead and enter your phone number, write down the password, and then just go ahead and tap on sign up. The next way is using your email. Go ahead and write down your email, your password, and then you can easily click on sign up. And if you scroll a bit down, you can see Google and a Telegram. Just go ahead and tap on any one of these. As soon as you tap on Google, you can select your Google account which you normally use and tap on continue. It will take a while. After a while, you can now see that you can just go ahead and tap on create a new account, and then what you need to do is write down a password for yourself. So after you write down a password for yourself, just go ahead and tap on confirm. Wait for a while and you can see the order. So what you need to do is select this on order. Once you select this on order, you can just go ahead and tap on OK. So after you do this, the verification will be completed and a code will be sent to your Gmail. So what you need to do now is just go ahead and go to your Gmail and copy the code. So as you copy the code, what you need to do is go back to the BitMart app and paste the code. So once you paste the code, you can just go ahead and tap on the next option. So if the code is not being pasted, you can just go ahead and enter the code yourself. So once you do that, as you can see, you have now signed up for your BitMart account. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more.